We're going to Waterton. Sa Costco muna, no? Costco, then Waterton. Yun. Waterton is about an hour drive. An hour.
Spanish style.
Parang nasa Canyon Ranch.
As soon as I saw Canyon, it looked like a Leeds place. Yeah.
Okay, we have about just 5 minutes left. Ganda, malamig.
It's
12,
chilly.
12 degrees, that's good.
Red Rock River.
Red Rock River. Red River Rock. That's a casino, isn't it? We were here on June 12, 2024. Ngayon ay June 1st. Mas magandang panahon ngayon kasi malamig-lamig na konti. Kaya yung iba naka-sweater. Oh.
The other
The one in
side.
the bottom?
May mga alert.
Okay.
Nandun tayo sa kabila. Oh.
Baka tayo nakapag ng bed.
See, yung mga nasunog, oh. Yeah. I go over here. Dito ba yun? O doon sa kabila? Sa kabila, no? Marami nagsushooting.
Do you see that? They're using the camera.
Oh, there is? Oh, yeah.
There's another one over there.
Cameras. Yun, there's a camera. Oh, may camera sa tubig. So looks like there was a fire here a few years back. I think before pandemic ito. Yun ang kailangan natin, may bear spray. Right?
Sila may bear spray din dala.
Nakita mo yun, may bear spray silang dala. The lady has a bear spray. Pero marami na rin new growth, ano. Tinanim kaya nila yan. Marami na. Oh yeah, there's berries. I think we're almost there. Orange. Ano yun? Ah, yeah, yun. Yun. Yeah, looks good. Kaya mga kasama ko, yun. Oh. Commander, mukhang malamig, ano? Malamig ba? Oh, iba naka-t-shirt lang yun. Pero malamig siya, oh. Yan ang glacial ice. Kaway. Malamig. Babalik na tayo. Marami pa tayong pupuntahan. Ha? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Alauna na, mag-alauna na. Balik na tayo.